After you receive your self-assignment email, read it carefully, since it will tell you when you can access the link, and it will give you useful tips in case you have trouble accessing the link. Remember, if you have a friend you're wanting to room with, you'll want to wait until both of you are able to log into the system. When your self-assignment window opens, click on the link in the email and follow the directions on screen to log into the self-assignment system. You will type in your pipeline username and password and click Continue. Click on Start the Process, then Room Selection. The next screen will give you information regarding the living learning communities we offer. Click on the button that says Click here to proceed to the assignment options. Click the first button if you have a disability or condition warranting special consideration in making your assignment. Click the second button if you want to participate in the first-year experience learning community located in Corlew Hall and Cummings Hall. Click the third button for all other assignment options. If you do not want your name, telephone number, and/or email to show to potential roommates, you'll want to select Don't Show. Remember, this will prevent a roommate from being able to see information that will allow them to contact you prior to check-in. After you make your choices, click Next. The top of this page provides instructions on how to make your selection. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see that you can search accommodations by clicking the drop-down box. This will show all available room types. You can also choose by clicking on Available Rooms by living area. Click on the arrows beside the community, building, and floor. You can click on the green area of campus under search results, then click on a building and floor. The red beds have already been chosen. The green beds are available. If you click on a red bed, you will see information the student has allowed to be released, including their name, major, and roommate match information. Once you choose a room, you will click on the green bed. If you prefer, you can click Display Table to see available rooms, then click on the arrow beside Room. To select a space, click on the lock. This screen shows that the space has been locked for you. You can click on the room number to see information about this space, including if it is a private, shared, or single room, and the rate information. If you'd like to choose another space, click I would like to choose again. If you like this space, click Finish at the bottom of the page. Remember, once you click Finish, you have completed the process and will not be able to log back into the system to change your assignment. Your confirmation screen will appear. This screen confirms your assignment. If you chose a room where someone had already been assigned, you'll see their name, telephone number, and email address if they allowed this information to be released. It also lets you know about check-in times. Please print this page to keep for future reference. If you have additional questions regarding the self-assignment process, please call us at 615-898-2971 or email us at housing@mtsu.edu.